Hey cuties, it's Rachel. What's up with you today? Oh my goodness, guys. Kim Tae-young is here!
Finally!
For those of you guys who don't know, my ultimate bias in K-pop is V. So this is just beyond exciting for me. I literally cannot believe this man is coming out with 5 songs. And not only that, every single one has a music video. So in this video, you're gonna see 2 reactions. The first one was from yesterday when we checked out Love Me Again. He's literally in his romantic lover boy era. And today we're gonna be checking out Rainy Days. But anyways, guys, there is literally no more time to waste. Let's get it. Speaking of romantic lover boys, this video is sponsored by Rose Forever. This company is based in New York and they make the most beautiful, luxurious rose boxes with 100% fresh roses. From Ecuador, the boxes come either round or squared, but of course I had to pick the hot 2. And these crystal boxes have a drawer for your jewelry. Like, imagine getting a knock at the door and opening this. So romantic. And don't even worry if you're allergic to flowers, because these bad boys are allergen free. And to all of you K-pop lovers around the world, they deliver worldwide. And don't forget to use the code CHEW25 for money off. Right, guys, let's get it for Love Me Again. Oh my god.
Let me know. 그래 너 솔직하게 다 말할래. 너는 매일 어떤 사람 어떤 곳에 몇 번씩이나 뭘 하는지 널 생각해. Lost without you, baby. I wish you would love me again. No, I don't want nobody else. I wish you could love me again, again.
Oh my gosh. I swear in that first minute I didn't even know what to do with my face. Holy moly. I wish you would love me again. His beautiful baritone voice is one of the reasons why I fell in love with him. The blonde curls with the wetness, the hoops, the gold turtleneck, like, oh my god. This is actually crazy. He looks insane. His voice sounds insane.
Let me know, let me know. 그래 너 솔직하게 다 말할래. 너는 매일 어떤 사람 어떤 곳에 몇 번씩이나 뭘 하는지 널 생각해. Lost without you, baby. I wish you would love me again. No, I don't want nobody else. I wish you could love me again, again. I wish you would love me again. No, I don't want nobody else. I wish you could love me again, again.
Ooh.
나만 찾고 이런 거지. 내 옆에 딴 사람 괜찮니? 여천으로 천천히. Make you feel better, you make it forever. 괜찮다 말하지 마. Said I'm alright, said I'll be fine. I'm sorry. 거짓말이야. 떠나지 마. 저리까지 마. 그래 너 솔직하게 다 말할래. 너는 매일 어떤 사람 어떤 곳에 몇 번씩이나 뭘 하는지 널 생각해. Lost without you, baby.
without you, baby. The R&B vibes in this. His voice is so alluring. I literally feel like I'm going to melt. Every single second of this music video is making me want to faint. I don't even know how to control myself, but this is beautiful. I love the locations he's at. He's got all of those like stalagmites behind him. Oh my god. And this red look. Oh, he just looks incredible. The camera quality as well. Guys.
만졌고 이런 거지 내 옆에 있던 사람 괜찮니 여천으로 천천히 Make you feel better, you make it forever 괜찮단 말하지 마 Said I'm alright, said I'll be fine I'm sorry 거짓말이야 떠나지 마 저리 가지 마 그래 나 솔직하게 다 말할래 너는 매일 어떤 사람 어떤 곳에 몇 번씩이나 뭘 하는지 널 생각해 Lost without you, baby Lost without you
I love the instrumental. Oh my god. 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 Holy. I wish you would love me again. I literally. Oh my goodness. There's literally millions of describing words running through my head right now to describe how perfect that was. The fact that it was so low-key as well. It was literally effortless deliciousness. There's one line where he says, I don't want anyone else but you. That is why you're my ultimate bias, boy. The looks that he gave us with this new blonde hair are just irresistible. I just need to take it all back in and listen to that again. 3, 2, 1.
척도 의미 없이 내게는 사라지고 잊음에도 I can't let you go, let you go 그 말이 다인 거니 한마디만 남기고
I'm just sorry. Look at this vibe. Look at him. With the glimmering light as well. Like, are you even a real human? Oh my god. I am actually gonna go crazy. I'm trying to be as professional as possible, but this is actually making my mind go insane. He just sounds so beautiful as well. And the effortlessness is one of the most alluring things about it.
다인 거니 한마디만 남기고 후회하면 Let me know, let me know 그래 나 솔직하게 다 말할래 너는 매일 어떤 사람 어떤 곳에 몇 번씩이나 뭘 하는지 널 생각해 Lost without you, baby I wish you would love me again No, I don't want nobody else I wish you could love love me again, again.
Oh, the way he does the again is the typical way that Tay Tay sings certain notes, and that's one of the things that I loved about his pronunciation. It's beautiful.
I wish you could love me again, again. I wish you
Look at the quality of this camera.
No, I don't want nobody else. I wish you could love me again, again. 나만 찾고 이런 거지.
So first of all, the tone he comes in, it literally just makes me want to melt. But this, look! The fact that it's the same sort of sequins that he had on the turtleneck, but he had the gold, but this time he has the arms out. All of these lives that he has been doing for us, just sitting there with his delicious blonde hair, sometimes having his arms out, have just been teasing us for these music videos.
나만 찾고 이런 거지. 내 옆에 딴 사람 괜찮니? 여천으로 천천히. Make you feel better, you make it forever. 괜찮다 말하지 마. Said I'm alright, said I'll be fine. I'm sorry. 거짓말이야. 떠나지 마. 저리 가지 마. 그래도 솔직하게 다 말할래. 너는 매일 어떤 사람, 어떤 곳에 몇 번씩이나 뭘 하는지 널 생각해. Lost without you, baby.
It's just perfection. Like, there's no other word to describe this.
Lost without you.
This is like I'm in a love trance.
Lost without you. I wish you would love me again. No, I don't want nobody else. I wish you could love me again, again. I wish you would love me again. No, I don't want nobody else.
I'm so excited for this. We have rainy days. When you listen really carefully, okay, let's go. Loops go wheeling. Oh. The rain.
Rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wishing how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days, like rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wishing how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days, like staring at my phone, I gauge. Hoping for your call lately. I've been on my own, maybe. 이젠 지난 일을 만나.
Oh my goodness. So you guys told me that that's not actually Yontan because he couldn't fly him over. But I love the fact that he has Yontan in this. Guys, this is so dreamy. The instrumental, it's like lo-fi with a little bit of piano, and also you could hear the rain. But this music video, in Love Me Again, he gave us the glitz and the glamour, and here he's literally just in sweats and low-key clothes. I'm actually going to faint. He's giving us boyfriend vibes, and his voice with this song and the lyrics, I'm literally going to Lulu.
Days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wishing how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days, like staring at my phone, I gauge.
The
Hoping
birds.
for your call lately. I've been on my own, maybe. Rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wishing how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like
So
rainy
romantic.
days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wishing how to find the way right back to you. On rainy
That is beautiful. Rainy days, the way this song is flowing. Look at that shirt. This is giving me DNA vibes. Oh my god. And this futuristic room is absolutely beautiful. Now I'm just going to be thinking about Tay even more on rainy days.
days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wishing how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like
Oh, the roses. Oh, he's literally feeding our Delulu minds.
Remember how I used to make you laugh the most. 내가 이런 말할 자격 없어도 Let me make up for all the time we lost. We can start again, open all the doors. Don't tell me it's over. We can start it over.
Yeah.
너는 나의 내 clover. Yeah, I can feel your touch. I remember your kiss. 그 말은 아팠지 and I miss you. Rainy days, I'm thinking about you.
V.
What to say, wishing how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like rainy days, I'm thinking about you.
The way he goes, rain. His pronunciation is beautiful, and the switch up that we just had. Yes, Tay Tay.
Find the way right back to you. On rainy days like rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wishing how to
This is so
find
artistic.
the way right back to you. On rainy days like
Oh my god, it's beautiful. Oh my god. I love this so much. Rainy days, I'm thinking about you. He's literally making us all feel like he is in love with us and thinking about us on rainy days. Tay Tay, you know exactly what you're doing. I am just in love with the fact that Jungkook comes out with 7 days a week and you know exactly what he's talking about. And then Tay Tay's coming through like the romantic lover boy that he is, feeding our Delulu minds. I love it! It's literally like just romantic R&B vibes. What more could you ask for? And his voice sounds so beautiful. Classic Tay Tay instrumental. You know that's like texting.
rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wishing how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wishing
It's
how
such a
to find
vibe.
the way right back to you. On rainy days like staring
Oh my goodness, the way he strokes the pillow as well to make you think that. I love the V as well. All of these new things that I'm noticing are so cute. I just love the way he's acting as well. Like he's literally walking around just thinking about this person. Oh my goodness.
right back to you. On rainy days like staring at my phone, I gauge, hoping for your call lately. I've been on my own, maybe. 이젠 지난 일을 맨날. Time with you was so amazing. Haven't changed, I'm still the same. 늦었지만 우리 다시 the moment again, yeah. Rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wishing how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wishing how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like
I can't even deal as well. The fact that I've literally got these roses today and he's got roses in his music video. It is meant to be. This is just so romantic and beautiful. All of the visuals that he has just goes perfectly with the vibe of the song. And the outfits too. He's a genius. This part here, the ceiling looks so beautiful. Like, it's just such a vibe.
Find the way right back to you on rainy days like
I can't even decide what's my favorite outfit. Oh, look at that smile.
Remember how I used to make you laugh the most. 내가 이런 말할 자격 없어도 Let me make up for all the time we lost. We can start again, open all the doors. Don't tell me it's over, we can start it over. 너는 나의 내 clover. Yeah, I can feel your touch, I remember your kiss. 그 말은 아팠지 and I miss you. Rainy days,
And I miss
I'm thinking
you.
about you. What to say, wishing how to find the way right back to you.
He loves doing those
Rainy
faces.
days like rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wishing how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like
I just love how artsy the music videos are. The visuals. Oh. Like, I know that's not Yeontan, but it's just so adorable that he is including Yeontan in his solo album. Rainy days, I'm thinking about you. Oh my god! It's so dreamy. I am literally just in love. The way he's expressing himself and using the instrumentals that he loves is just perfect. If you guys don't follow up on him, he posts a lot on his Instagram story of the songs that he likes, or when he goes live on Weverse, he'll have music playing in the background. And this instrumental is the definition of a Tay-Tay instrumental. Every single time it's a rainy day, I'm literally gonna look out the window and pretend I'm in this music video. But anyways guys, if you like this video, then please give me a thumbs up. Also, hit that subscribe button if you want to see more. But anyways, tune in next time. Rainy days, I'm thinking about you.